Good afternoon. I'd like to thank you for investing in our pulsed frequency devices. Our devices are designed and created at Reset Manufacturing in Lakemont, Georgia, USA, and marketed by the holisticwellnessstore.com. Today, I'm going to go through the easy installation process of the new 2026 pulse frequency software. The exciting news is that the new software has the ability to work both on Windows 10 or 11 and now Mac OS systems. The software is cloud-based, so you will need an internet connection to download the software and load the programs into your device. One of the best features of the new software is that it will run the 272B, the MLR72, and the new 2026 MAGRES. Yes, all three devices can be managed from one software. This enables you to have all your specialty and custom-built programs in one place, as well as over 400 of our established programs that come with the Pro software. You'll even be able to bring programs you've already created in our old softwares to the new software with a simple transfer button. The new software will also keep all your patient files for all devices in one place. At Reset Manufacturing, we have created 3 frequency generating devices, as well as our microcurrent converter. The EM272B, which is a 7-frequency PEMF generator with the addition of a 2-frequency microcurrent generator in the same device. Our second device is the MLR72. This device is strictly a 7-frequency PEMF device, delivering the specific frequencies you program into the 2 magnetic discs. The MLR72 can also power our frequency modulated low-level red light laser discs. Lastly, the new 2026 MAGRES. This is a redesigned version of our old original pocket-sized MAGRES B. Improvements include a C USB port, incorporated strap holes, better batteries, and a sleeker design. All these devices will now work on the same software. More detailed information for these devices can be seen at holisticwellnessstore.com website.